sheet we are going to solve two examples, and the rest of the sheet I am going to solve it with you in the session. Okay, let's move to the next sheet. Count the 10 penny coins and write down the correct amount. Okay, the first one, we have one coin which is 10 penny. That means it's equivalent to, yes, it's the dime, it's one dime. Okay, so it will be 10p. The next one, we have three coins. That means it will be 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals to 10 times 3 equals 30. Let's move to the next exercise. Fill in the correct amount. Okay, we have 10 penny coins makes 20 penny. He want to ask me how many dimes, how coin in 20 penny. Okay, so how many coins makes this money, which is 20. Okay, so 10 times what equals 20? So it will be 10 times 2. So we need 2 coins of 10 penny or 2 coins of dime. The second sheet, okay, count the dimes and the pennies. Okay, so we have the first one, which is 1 coins. It's a gray coins, so it's a dime or the penny. Yes, it's the dime coins, so it's equals to 10 cent or 10 penny. Okay, we have 1 coin of the dime and 2 coins of the cent or the penny. Okay, so it will be 10 plus 1 plus 1. It will be equals to 12 cent. Another exercise for counting the dimes and the pennies. Okay, but we are going to move to different exercise. Work out the correct total for these coins. Remember to count the dimes in tens. He make me remember I must change the dimes into a cent. So 1 dime equals to 10 cent. So the first example, we have 5 dimes. That means it's 5 multiplied by 10. I want to change the dimes into a cent. So 1 dime equals to 10 cent. So 5 dimes, it will be equals to 50 cent. Plus 1 penny equals to 50. Plus 1 equals to 51. Yes, 51 cent. This sheet is different because it's consists of penny, nickel, dime, and quarter. Okay, we have the penny, which is equals to 1 cent, nickel 5 cent, dime 10 cent, quarter, which is 25 cent. Okay, so the first problem, 1 nickel equals how many pennies? Okay, so I am going to move, yes, it's equals to 5 cent, and the cent is another name, in another name, penny. So it's equals to, yes, it's equals to 5 pennies. Okay, This is a question. He asks you, are you know that the cent is the penny? Are you know that the nickel is equivalent or equals to 5 cents or 5 pennies? Okay, so we must know what is the nickel equals to, how many cent or how many penny, the dimes, how many cent or how many penny. Okay, let's move to the second part. We have 2 quarters. He wanted me to know, yes, equals how many dimes. Let's calculate and return to the quarter. It's equals to 25. So 2 quarters means 25 plus 25 equals to 50. So how many, yes, how many dimes inside the 50? How many tens inside the 50? So the 50 is 10 times what? So it's 10 times, yes, it's 10 times 5. So we have 5 dimes inside 2 quarters. Okay, then the answer will be 5. Let's move to the next one. He gives me only pictures. Okay, let's return to the pictures and this. Okay, this one is yes, it's the dime. Okay, he want me to calculate the dime, which is 10 cent, and these pictures for the coins of, yes, let's return, it's the penny coin. He asked me how many cent or penny in the dime coin. So the dimes, one dime equals to 10 penny. Okay, or 10 cent. Okay, let's move to the next one. We have 5 of coin. Let's return to the coin. 5 of what? This coin, yes, look, no, it's not, it's this one. This is a penny or cent. Okay, let's return 5 of them, so it's a 5 cent. What is the equivalent of this one? Yes, it's a nickel. So you want to ask me, if you have 5 cent, it's equals to how many nickel? It's equal to 1 nickel. Okay, the next one, we have many coins of the dime. We want to, and the nickel and the penny, we want to find the sum. It's a normal question. I think I will solve with you the first one of this kind. We have 4 of, yes, it's a dime coin. Yes, it's a dime coin. So it's a 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 times 4 equals to 40. The second coin we have, yes, it's a penny coin. So it will be 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent. So it's a 3 cent plus the 40 cent equals to 43. This is the last sheet we have. This is a fun sheet. He gives me the coin and give me another value at the bottom of each coin. It's not the true value. What I am going to do, I am going to print this sheet and going to cut each part. The first part of, for example, we have 1 cent coin, and at the bottom of this coin, which is 10 penny. It's not the value, it's not the true value. We are going to separate the sheet into two parts. Okay, cut it from here. Okay, and the second one, cut the sheet, the third one, and have empty sheet, white sheet, and going to stick with the glue the coin and the true value of each coin. For example, let's search about the first coin. Yes, it's here. Okay, so I am going to stick the coin with its true value. Okay, and the second one, 2 cents, I'm going to search which part. Yes, it's here. I'm going to stick the true value, 2 penny or 2 cent, okay, with the coin. Okay, stick them together under each other in a white sheet. Okay, do the rest of the sheet for you as a fun exercise to know what is the coin and what is value. Okay, goodbye.